Hey everybody, probably the worst thing you can wish on your enemy is a lagging computer, because if your computer freezes up at all the right moments, it's just really annoying. However, not everything is so clear because even the most powerful computer will lag if it is not optimized, and vice versa. If the weakest computer is properly optimized, it will perform well. In this video, there will be a list of programs to optimize your computer. And the first program you should definitely use is Clean Manager Plus. It replaces the standard Windows cleaning utility. And this is important because if your computer is clogged with rubbish, the slower it runs. That's why it's important to clean your drive, and if you've never done it, your computer is full of junk, and that's not good. So download the program, run it, tick all the boxes, click the cleanup button, and the program will automatically remove all the junk from your computer. And your computer will start working noticeably faster after the first cleanup. The second program is Defender Control. It turns off Windows Defender. The thing is, Windows Defender is pretty much useless software because first of all, it overloads the computer, and secondly, its protection is very poor. No, seriously, Windows Defender consumes a huge amount of your computer's resources, and it doesn't protect your data. What I can say for sure about Windows Defender is that it interferes with the work of some applications, constantly deleting something, and if you have a weak laptop, Defender Control will make it very easy for you to use your computer. To use Defender Control, you will need to open Defender Control, enter the password. It is done so that Defender itself did not delete this application. And then you need to click Disable Windows Defender.